Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume sea moss. First, you need to prepare your raw sea moss. Begin by thoroughly cleaning it under cool running water to remove any sand or ocean debris. After cleaning, place the sea moss in a bowl and cover it completely with fresh, filtered water. Let it soak for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally, overnight. You'll notice it expands considerably, becoming soft and pliable, ready for the next step. Once your sea moss is properly soaked, it's time to transform it into a versatile gel. Drain the soaking water and rinse the sea moss again. Transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. For every 1 cup of soaked sea moss, add about 1 cup of fresh, filtered water. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy with no lumps remaining. This process creates a thick, nutrient-rich gel. Now that you have your sea moss gel, incorporating it into your diet is simple. A common way is to add 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to your favorite smoothies or fresh juices. Its neutral taste won't alter the flavor. You can also stir it into warm beverages like tea, or mix it into soups, stews, and even salad dressings. It works wonderfully as a natural thickening agent in many recipes, boosting nutrition effortlessly. Proper storage ensures your sea moss gel stays fresh and potent. Transfer the finished gel into a clean, airtight glass jar and store it in the refrigerator. When stored correctly, your sea moss gel will remain fresh and effective for up to 3 weeks. Beyond its versatility, sea moss is celebrated for its impressive nutritional profile, providing 92 of the 102 essential minerals your body needs for optimal health and wellness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.